Hi everyone and welcome to Quick Solution. In this video I'm going to show you how you can see your reposts on TikTok. So in order to repost one video on TikTok, you just have to press that share button right here, and as you can see you have right here the repost option. So basically TikTok doesn't provide you a history of your reposts, but there is one trick that you can do to find out what videos you reposted. So let's say I want to repost this video. As I have shown you earlier, you can press the share button right here and repost. So what you can do is just hit that bookmark option right here, and as you can see it says added to favorites. So if I go to my profile right here and go to this bookmark icon, as you can see this post is right here, the post that I reposted earlier is in my history, and of course you can make a collection if you want, so that you know what videos you have reposted, or maybe if you saved other videos to your bookmark. So this is all for today. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.